You're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, aren't you? You've been dreaming about it. I know you have. That's awesome. Hi there, I'm Heather. She knows YouTube, and I believe you clicked on this video because you want your own YouTube channel. That is so awesome. I love it. Because you know what? I was in that boat one day too, and now I'm working on 3 YouTube channels, and it is so much fun. If that is you, I assume that's why you clicked on this video. You've come to the right place because I have done so much research. I have so much knowledge. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot easier than you think, or you'll know what I mean after you get going. So I just thought I'd do this quick little intro video, tell you a little bit about what you're gonna get here on this channel. Everything YouTube. Everything YouTube. I'm gonna help you build your YouTube channel from the ground up. It's so much fun. A couple of questions that people ask all the time. Is 2020 too late to start YouTube? No. It is absolutely not too late. Is the market too saturated? There's so many people on YouTube. No, not too saturated. The reason I say that it's not too saturated is simply because YouTube is called YouTube because it's YouTube. In other words, it's your channel. It's you delivering the information. It's your personality. People will come across your channel and they will find you and they will listen to you and watch you and they'll decide if they like you and if they like your personality. And say you're a tutorial channel, then they'll see if they like your teaching style. Maybe you're a tech channel and you do product reviews. They'll see if they like your review style. And if they do like you, they're going to probably subscribe and they're gonna follow you and they're gonna be really looking forward to your videos. And you're gonna feel great because you're giving value. So it's a win-win. If you are dreaming about it, if you have thought about it, please subscribe. I would be so grateful. I would love to help you build your channel. Yes, we'll be starting and we'll do everything from the ground up. I will walk you through every step of the way. I don't currently have an upload schedule because I am working on 3 YouTube channels. I will teach you that you should have an upload schedule, especially if you want to treat this like a business. I apologize, but I have 3 channels. I just don't want to overpromise. So I'm hoping to do 1 video a week, possibly more. I look forward to seeing you when I upload my next video, and I hope you're having a absolutely wonderful, stellar week. Ciao for now. Bye. If I put this in the video, you'll see that it's not just like you just shoot a video and here we go. This is one of them that I'm getting going. That was stupid. Don't do what I do. I don't even like what I'm saying. Oh, my face is sweating. It's going. Hi. Yeah. Okay, this is ridiculous. Okay, let's start this again. Oh my God. That was fun.